What is going on, guys? Lewis from Men's Tech, back with another video. So in this video we're going to talk about the iPhone 13 and why I think it's one of my favourite mid-ranges of 2024. Now, one of my favourite features with this phone has to be the design. In my opinion, the design of this phone is amazing. A design of a phone is what makes a phone, if that makes sense. And with Apple's amazing lineup, since the iPhone 12, they've become curved. No, they've become box instead of curved. In my opinion, that adds so much value to the phone, because I think the phone just feels better to use in the hand. And overall, the design of this phone as a kind of boxy style instead of a curvy iPhone style is so much better. But yeah, we have an amazing design of this phone. This comes in a variety of colours, pink, black, blue, and some others, which makes this a very diverse phone. This colour, like it's baby blue, it's perfect. This baby blue colour, in my opinion, is actually amazing. And yeah, as you can see, this phone has an amazing design overall. Now this has a really nice array of cameras. We've got with this phone we've got a 12 megapixel camera, f2.2 aperture, as well as a wide lens to get some great photos. Now I use a wide lens with my Pixel, and I'm not sure about the cameras on this phone because I was not able to use this phone for long enough. But yeah, the cameras are great with this phone, and honestly you shouldn't have to worry about the cameras anyway. With this phone we know we have amazing cameras, and yeah, your photos will be fine. In my opinion, the quality of the cameras on this phone are out of this world, and yeah, you'll be pleasantly surprised by how well this phone can take some amazing photos. Got a really nice screen, Super Retina XDR OLED display. It's not 120Hz, but it's still fine. Not every phone has to be 120Hz, and so it doesn't really make a difference at the end of the day. We've got a nice, in my opinion, the design of the cameras is what makes this phone stand out. Now with some other phones, we did have other features which made the cameras kind of cumbersome to use, that being iPhone 13 and Pro and up, because when you have a camera lens like these with 3, I find it kind of is annoying. So when you have 2, it rests on a table better, and overall the design of the phone just seems more rounded and seamless. But yeah, the design of this phone is amazing and is a staple of iPhones now, and yeah, the design of this phone is lovely. The second reason why I think it has to be one of my favourite phones of all time is definitely because of the user experience. Now this phone is compact, which is great, so it's not going to weigh a ton in your pocket, and it's not going to weigh you down, so taking this to places is amazing. And yeah, overall just the portableness of this phone is great. Also do have an amazing technology with this phone, which allows you to wirelessly charge AirPods and other stuff. This phone, which is great. And yeah, this phone being a smartphone, you get a lot of smart features obviously, so wireless charging is one of them, as well as quick pairing with AirPods and other Apple devices including Apple Watch, Beats and all that stuff. So if you're a really hardcore Apple fan, then your iPhone 13 that you get will really fit in. And yeah, I think being an avid Apple user in my time having tech and stuff, this iPhone, including everything and having an amazing array of features, is great. And yeah, if you have an Apple Watch as well, you have an amazing experience with this phone. So yeah, the Apple Watch and the AirPods will be some great accessories with this phone, but I would recommend some cheaper headphones from Apple, being the Beats Studio Buds, because they have amazing sound, and overall I think they are probably a better value. Anyway, this video is about the iPhone 13, so here's my last reason why I love the iPhone 13. The last reason why I love this phone is probably the software. Now this comes with iOS 17, which has an amazing array of software features. Now I think, in my opinion, the iPhone 13 is a great phone, but the software really finishes it off. And yeah, it has an amazing array of software that we have with this phone, with iPhone, and with iPhones anyway. I do prefer Pixel UI, but yeah, generally the iPhone 13s and iOS 17 is great. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, my review of the iPhone 13, and it's still an amazing phone to buy in 2024. I think it is the only phone you buy in 2024 because, well, other phones are just not worth the money, the extra money. This phone is just a really compact design and I love it. Anyway guys, see you guys in the next one. Peace. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more tech videos just like this. And yeah, iPhone 13 review in 2024, an amazing phone. Peace out, guys. Life could be heaven on earth. Soon as you realize your worth.